Oh, what is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And if I look like a sweaty mess, it's because I am a sweaty mess. I've been taking care of some yard stuff, working on the Volkswagen EOS. And today, at least what you're going to see in this video, we're going to pull the Magnum around, get the tools out, and we're going to fix the sunroof that's sagging a little bit. I don't like the way it sits. So let's go address it. There it is, Mrs. Mopar. No, I'm just kidding. All right, let's get this thing open. And hopefully she doesn't scream like a little bitch. I do have to definitely get a key fob. I don't know how I'm going to do that because the PCM that's in here does not match the VIN. Hopefully she doesn't scream. Thank God. All right. Whew. All right, let's see here. Key. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, she almost didn't want to start there for a minute. Could have a parasitic draw somewhere. Ooh, that's a cold start. She's idling a little rough. Huh. All right. She sounds damn good though. Well, a lot of you guys were saying I should sell the Magnum. A lot of you guys were saying, TK, just sell the Magnum, you know, and buy other stuff. But I'm gonna be honest with you. This is the first time for me in probably, shit, I gotta say, maybe 15 years or so that I haven't had an actual, like a normal regular car payment. Man. How's she sound to y'all? Nasty. Nasty. Woo! Let's get to work. All right, guys, so this is the area we're working on. Now, I know you're gonna say, well, TK, that sunroof has to be leaking. It's not. I don't know where the drain tracks go, but it does drain, but this is down a little bit. Now, there is an adjustment on the inside. Let me show you how to get to that. Oh, if you ever have your sunroof do this in a Dodge, it's a pretty simple fix. There's the screw right there. Now, it's a Torx bit. Now, what you gotta do is you gotta put your sunroof in the popped up position, and then you can access that a little easier. And then you just really you unscrew it, you push the glass up, and then you tighten it up on that side. And we'll do the same thing over here, and then we should be good. First things first, we gotta pop it up. Oh. Then we go get our Torx bits, and we'll adjust this glass. All right, let's go inside. Oh, all right, so what we need to do now, get the camera to focus up here, is to get right there into that Torx bit. So I need to figure out what size that is. Looks much smaller than I expected. So it ain't that small. Damn, mosquito just got me on my ear, bastard. Let's see. Too big. 1/8. Is it a 1/8? Yep. Looks like it is a 1/8. bit. So, all right, now we're gonna put the ratchet in. I'm gonna see if I can put you guys down here and get this to go up. Oh, is that it? Or am I too far? Huh. Normally it'll go up, but I guess not. Maybe if I do this. Hold on. There we go. Damn, man. Sometimes having a gimbal is more a pain in the ass than anything else. Major shout out to Austin Carr on YouTube. I got this whole toolkit, this whole two-set discounted courtesy of him and my dude Randy at Auto Auction Rebuilds. You know, it happens like that sometimes. It's always good to have friends where, you know, everybody has money. Ain't nobody broke in the squad. Not that, you know, people that are broke or bad or anything. I'm just saying, like, it's always good to have people in your squad that'll, you know, everybody's fighting to pay the bill. You know what I'm saying? And that's always a positive. All right, let's see. It's stripping. It is fucking stripping. Oh, shit. And that is a Torx bit, right? It is not an Allen wrench. That is a Torx bit. And let's see if I can get a little bigger one in there, maybe. T15, is it really a T20? Yeah. All right. I tried to use the 1/8 Allen bit because it would fit, but it just didn't. But maybe this one will go. And that's just me being dumb. That was my error. Ah, there it is. There it is. There it is. So the goal here is you just want to get that loose. And then you can see how the glass is adjustable. You guys see that? I can move the glass now. So what you want to do is you want to move it up as far as possible. And then I might even stick. I want to get it at the highest point. And then we'll tighten it. But I might even get something else in there to assist with that. Oh, man. I want to see something. And I know someone's going to be like, TK, that's some Mickey Mouse shit. Okay, well, you know, shade tree mechanic, man. What do you want me to do? I'm not ASC certified. Let me live. Like an extra piece. Yeah, that might work. Now, let me push this up. Get the glass up as far as I can. And now we want to go back this way with it. Damn, an extension would be really nice right now. It would make this so much friggin' easier, but I just don't have one for this size. Damn it. And it's like so hard to get your hands in here to do what you need to do. All right, we're in there. Oh, come on. All right, now I need to pull this up, push this all the way up, high as it goes. Come on. Come on. Ah. All right. Keep pressure on it, and we'll go a little more over here. All right, that's nice and tight. All right. Let me see if she looks any different when I put it down at this point. All right. Well, it's still down. You can see here, if I push on it, I can actually push it up, almost like there's something missing over there. I'm gonna see if I can make like a little wedge to get it up, because right now it's adjusted as far as it's going to go. It almost looks like it's a track or a mechanical failure at this point, which means the sunroof is kind of useless. I don't really open the sunroof that much though, so let's get to work. All right, guys, so I found out what the issue is. See this right here? There's a piece right here, and it actually slides forward a little bit. Watch it when I go to pop the roof open. See how it slides forward? And that slides down the track. And when that slides down its track, that's what causes the sunroof to pop up. When I close it, similar thing. It just doesn't go. Watch when I push on it with my finger. It actually will come up some. See? Like there's room there, so I think I can manually push that up until the sunroof is where I want it. All right, guys, we got it. I don't need to leave this in here now. I was able to coax it over just by using the controls. Forums are awesome, man. I literally got on a Facebook group with Magnum owners, and they told me to just how to toggle the switch to play with it to get it there. Evidently it's a common issue, but there it is. She's up where she needs to be. Let's show you from the outside. There it is, nice and closed up. No more excessive wind noise or none of that. So I'm very happy, very, very happy with that. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Just something I wanted to try to tighten up, get stuff going on the Magnum, trying to get the ball rolling to get this thing, you know, cleaned up, put together, tighten up the things that I know need to be tightened up on it. That air conditioning compressor is gonna be a bitch of a job, but we gotta do it, man. We gotta do it. So I'm gonna do that as well. We may end up having to replace everything, the condenser, the dryer, all of it, we'll see. And then, you know, I got these shocks and stuff when I got the wheels for the car. I really don't like them though. I don't like the way the car rides. So I think we're gonna put some Bilsteins on it and see if I can stiffen up the suspension. Any of you guys that are Dodge guys that have these Magnums, if you've driven a recent Dodge, like a Charger or a Challenger, you get used to that nice steering, that you know, responsive steering. The brakes too are extremely, it takes way too long for this car to stop. Let me say that. So I don't know if I want to go Brembo. I don't think I want to invest that money into it because you know me, right? What do I say? What's my motto? I don't like losing money on cars. If I'm going to sell this because I'm picking up the M5 or the M4, we haven't really decided yet, then it's like, what do I do? You know what I'm saying? And then there's another part of me that's kind of like, maybe I don't go buy the BMW and maybe I just, you know, dump the money into here. Full disclosure for you guys that don't know, usually when I buy a car, right, I try to pay it off in a year. So, you know, I'll pay $2,500, sometimes $3,500 a month to just get the balance down. That's what we did on the Challenger, right? And if I end up buying this BMW for $45,000, you know, I'll probably have it paid off in about a year. So, but I was thinking, what if I put like $2,000 a month, $2,000 a month, have a budget and put $2,000 a month, every month, into the Magnum? That thing could be ridiculous, right? We could be on some pimp my ride type of shit at the end of a year. I'm talking big screen, 12-inch Dodge Ram screen in the middle, like upgrade the PCM to a newer Dodge, you know, with a newer engine control module and all of that, right? You know, to pair better with the motor, do all of that stuff. Then I don't, you know, but see, then I'm on that key fob system. I really don't like the key fob system. They're too easy to steal. But like, I see the potential of what the Magnum could be. And I think I'd probably feel way better about it if it wasn't so sloppy, right? Because when you're used to driving the Challenger, if you have a Scat Pack or Hellcat or a Charger of either or of those, and then you drive this RT Magnum, like it's, now, is the Magnum slow with the power plant and stuff I have in it now? Hell no, it's not slow. But my problem is it's fast, but the steering and stuff, like if I have to do a quick decision turn, like hit an exit or something, it's sloppy. Like I could see myself wrecking the car, trying to drive it like I would drive the Scat Pack. You just can't. And then I'm not really a fan of the transmission. I know we're gonna change. I was thinking about changing the transmission to the Turbo 400 anyway, but I don't know, man. I might put an 8-speed automatic in it. You know, I might look for a automatic. I really want to go manual, but I looked at what the process would be to make this thing a manual, and it sucks. Like, there's so much cutting and welding and stuff that's outside of my wheelhouse. Not doing it. So, unfortunately, if I do something with this, I'm probably going to put an automatic in it, and we'd probably put like an 8-speed or something in it. But anyways, I've been running my mouth long enough. There you have it. Let me know what you guys think about the Magnum in the comments below. You know, we've already addressed the suspension. It does have new shocks and tires and rims and brakes, and you see that. We put the drilled and slotted and all that crap on it. It's already got the motor work done, the motor in. Now, you guys are asking me, when are we going to drop the video on the motor stuff that was done to it? And I'm probably going to drop it in this week. Here's the thing. I didn't get a chance to film when it was being done. I took it to a shop here in town. They also did my exhaust and stuff, and they did it. And their son was filming with it. And in case you didn't know, and it's happened to me before, they were using the GoPro and the file got corrupted, or the SD card got corrupted. So I'm now paying, I know I'm overpaying. I'm paying like a couple $100 to a local shop to try to recover that footage. So we'll see. We're gonna hook up the scan tool to this here in the next video. We're gonna look and see if there's any hidden codes, any of that stuff in the PCM prior, you know, before the motor that's in it now was in it, and you can kind of see its history. We're gonna go through a bunch of stuff like that, and then we're gonna go over the Carfax and see what kind of life this car had. So with that said, I think that's gonna do it for this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Hit the thumbs up button if you haven't already. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. By the way, that shit is free. And make sure to go check out our sponsors. Sponsors of today's video: Visible Wireless, Verizon service. Check this out. Real Verizon service, nationwide coverage, unlimited hotspot. You could use 300 gigs. They don't care. All right. $5 your first month, right there in that link in the description. $5. And in fact, you have an iPhone and it's unlocked, you ain't even got to get a SIM card. You can activate it right now, right through that link. Boom, and have service, port your number, all of that in like 10 minutes. It's ridiculous. It'd be $5 a month. You can join up what they call parties, and then you're looking at like $25 a month for unlimited Verizon. Today's video, when I get done editing and putting this up, will be uploaded on the Visible network. You know, I am using my sponsors networks very liberally. I've been punishing them. Like we did. Well, I don't want to talk about the other one, but here on Visible, I just uploaded like 80-something gigabytes in videos in the last 3 days. So, Anywho's. So there you have it. Time to get out of here. Let me know what you guys think, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.